Welcome to my channel Explore Life with Shutapa. Today we have come for a small birding expedition for a few hours at Kamduni and Khoribari. This is a place where a lot of birds visit during migration and return migration. So today we have come to see what we could find. So let's see, stay tuned. Kamduni and Khoribari. These two places are near to each other and are located at the outskirts of Rajarhat, Kolkata. This place is very well known among Kolkata birders, the reason being during migration and return migration, a lot of birds stop at this place to refuel themselves. This area is a stretch of cultivated land, as well as there are many water bodies. These water bodies are used for fish farming. Because of the presence of beautiful habitat and food, a lot of birds visit this place during migration and return migration. But nowadays, due to urbanization, the habitat is shrinking. In 2015, in this place only, I got a sighting of the glossy ibis. I also got a fight sequence of black-tailed godwit, which was featured in the Indian National Geographic site. In the water bodies, from March to June, you can find pied avocets. These are almost sighted every year. And then around this time, around February, March, you can see colonies of painted stock around this area. This was taken last year only. On 18 February 2024, we went to Khoribari and Kamduni for a quick birdwatching expedition. We started at about 2:30 p.m. And how to reach this place? Kamduni Khoribari is situated in the Rajarhat outskirts. So you have to take the Rajarhat road and keep on going straight. You will find the Derozio College on the right, and you have to keep going on this road until you reach a place where you can find water bodies on both sides. There you have to look for the North Point School. The North Point School is on the left, and you have to take the next left turn to reach this point. Once we reached this point, we started to look for birds. Then we got sight of two red wattle lapwings on the side of the road. Red wattle lapwings are fairly common in the cultivated land and wetlands of West Bengal. It has the red wattles in front of the eye, hence it is called so. They feed mainly on insects and they catch them like a plover. This one watched us for some time and then went on feeding on insects in the cultivated land. Near the lapwings, I noticed a yellow wagtail, a small bird which was wagging its tail. It checked on me for a few minutes and then kept on foraging on the insects. There I saw a white-throated kingfisher silently sitting and a pond heron watching for its prey. There was no other birds in sight. And we were about to leave this place when suddenly a cattle egret has caught something very big, and there it was. It was actually feeding on a big prawn. When I noticed the cattle egret, it has already taken the head of the prawn and it was tossing it in water, and later it took out all the scales and then gulped it down. The whole process took about 10-15 minutes and I was able to film the complete thing. Hope you will enjoy it. We then went to the Khoribari area and there we spotted a flock of egrets. With the flock of egrets, when we looked closer, there were 4 black-headed ibis. Black-headed ibis is quite an uncommon catch for this area, and they must have visited for the return migration to refuel themselves. After shooting the black-headed ibis, it was time to say bye to this area. It was a quick birding expedition, but it was overall good, and the sun was setting over the horizon, so we returned back home.
If you like this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Please click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video.
So till the next video, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye for now.